Every once in a while, I receive questions about how you should be studying. For example, I get questions like, how many hours per day should I study math? And there cannot be universal answers because these are questions about you, not about math. I think this can in fact be meaningful questions, but you must look for the answers yourself. Because to do math, it helps to understand how your brain works so that you could adapt to it. So for example, if you're asking yourself, how much should I study? I would suggest to start with looking for your own math-life balance and understanding your natural desires and limits in studying math. And this can be hard because there is a lot of pressure. So in order to get honest answers, I would suggest to desacralize the process of studying math. I mean, look, honestly, studying math is quite a weird hobby, like, I don't know, rock climbing. So if you take it less seriously for a while, I think it would help to see how much math feels good for you. And just do experiments, be honest with yourself, and trust your interest. And then when you know how much math feels good for you, you can decide what to do about it. And I would recommend probably to push yourself a bit more, not because studying math does not involve a lot of hard work, but because pushing yourself too much can lead to a burnout and can affect your passion to math. And I think your passion should not be taken for granted. It is a gift to cherish. Now, I understand that what you actually want to hear when you're asking this question is how much I studied. But I don't want to answer this question because I don't think it would be helpful. I think it could do more harm than good because you would make conclusions about you based on what's normal for me. And this doesn't make sense to me because I saw so many different patterns of studying math over the years. With that said, I understand, of course, that our brains naturally try to avoid hard work. But I think all of it is still individual. It's your passion, your interest, and your tricks how to get around your laziness. And I like to think that smartness is relative. Like figuring out who you are and what you want and how to do that is pretty smart. And the worst thing that can happen is that you may find out that actually you only enjoy doing math like 1 hour per week. And this is fine because then you might realize that you want to do something else in life. Seriously though, if you realize that you don't have that much interest, try taking a break and then maybe studying a different kind of math and talk to people who inspire you. Remember that it could be temporary and don't blame yourself because your passion isn't fully in your control and life will go on anyway.